All right, let's take a look at cabin 8214. It's a Havana Interior on Mardi Gras. Outside your door, you'll have your wristbands, which will be in the envelope behind, and your card in the one in front. We were staying in this cabin. So here we are going into the cabin, and we will show you around the inside of this. So again, this gives you all the benefits of the Havana area on Mardi Gras, which, as most people know, is not quite the same as it is on the Vista class. Most people don't think it's as good, but each to their own. So you'll come into the room, and you'll have a USB port with a nightlight either side of the bed. And there is a tray for you to put things down. And I do have a full video on my channel of what the Havana area looks like overall, so you can watch that and see everything out there. One either side of the bed, as I said. Shelves on either side, perfect for your phones to charge overnight. Some artwork on the wall. There is your TV. Right there is a shelf with the fridge underneath it. Here is your workspace. We'll show you the power outlets right there. And there's some drawers here. There's your hairdryer. Laundry bags. Now you have your towels, and this ottoman seat is an extra storage area inside, if you didn't know that. Nice big mirror. And here is your storage area, your main storage area. Now these shelves can raise up to make more hanging space if you want, or you can lower it down more to have more shelving space. So you've got two there. A nice mirror on the inside of the door. And you have two more here, so quite a lot of storage space in these interiors. And there is your safe. It's a bit dark, but the safe was just above there. Couple of hanging areas there, and here is your bathroom. Mirror there, some shelving. They do have the Elemis shampoo in here. There's a footrest for the ladies. And you'll notice a glass door, not the shower curtains, which they have on Mardi Gras. Some of the accessible cabins do have shower curtains, though. Be warned about that. So yeah, one more look in the room. This is your interior, cabin 8214. Havana Interior on Carnival Mardi Gras. There you go. And it is at the front of the ship. You can see it circled in red there, the very front. And this is what you get in the room. Note, children must be 12 years of age or older. And there is everything else you get with this lovely little room. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.